Alright, I got this SIMIYA thermal underwear set for men. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. And my opinion right off the bat is this is one of the most comfortable thermal shirts I've ever worn in my life. It is so comfy, I'm not even kidding. It's made out of microfiber and spandex. I was supposed to get an extra large, but I actually got a large. To be honest with you, this thing fits me super tight and it feels great. The shirt does anyway. So far I haven't tried the pants on yet. I can tell it's one of those things I'm going to wear around the house this winter. I might even get another set. This thing features 4-way stretching on it. So it stretches all over the place. Very soft, very warm. One thing I'm interested to check out is it says it's static resistant. So that's going to be a cool feature. I always get that in the winter time. Let's check out the pants here. It's got a heavy yet light feel to it. So the stretchy band in here feels great. It's elastic, it comes back. We got a fly hole here on the front, which is good. You want a fly hole on the front, which incorporates the 4-way stretch too. Plenty of room there. Oh, another cool thing is too, it comes with this bag that you could store them in. I don't think I'm actually going to store my thermal underwear in this bag, but I will use this in my luggage when I travel. I'll put something in there. You know, if I'm out working this winter or if I'm out hunting this winter, the fact that I got one size smaller than I thought I should get is probably going to work out perfect because it's going to be easy for me to layer over top of this. So if you're looking for a pair of thermal underwear for this winter, some long johns. These ones are super stretchy, super comfortable. The fleece line, they feel great, soft, warm. Check out these ones by SIMIYA. Check them out.